What's up YouTube, welcome to a brand new video tutorial and free plugin. My name is Eric and today we are talking about my free roll transitions. So let's head right into that. So in order to get my free roll transitions, simply download them from the link in the description. Smash them into your motion templates transitions folder and restart Final Cut Pro. Now you can find them in your transitions browser. Simply extend them to make the roll slower or drag the ends towards each other to make the transition faster. Adjust the exposure and the glint to make it look a bit more washed out. Adjust the zoom if you want to get rid of the doubles, and adjust the motion blur to make the transition less obvious. As I said before, my name is Eric. I do Final Cut 10 Pro tutorials and have a lot of free plugins, so check out all my other videos. If you haven't already, smash the subscribe button right now and follow me on Instagram, lifted_Eric. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.